guys, welcome to my channel. Today we got free Hot Wheels right here in front of me, and also guys, it's snowing outside too. So yeah guys, today we got a 2019 Mercedes A-Class in gray, and it's also recolor, and I got another one. I got two of them. Basically, this is just like a recolor of this one. You know, I kind of like this one more than this. So yeah, so right here. Next car we have is a 1968 Shelby GT500, or like an old Ford Mustang, of course. It's pretty cool. It's in the, and also it's in the flame set too, right here. It's the fifth Hot Wheel in the set. There's 10 cars. This one's in the night browsers. The fifth car in the set, right here. And also this one's the fifth one here. Fifth. Next car we have something special today. 2017 Lamborghini Urus in yellow. And we also got a green one too. Because you guys were, here you go. We got two of them. This is another recolor. Yeah. Right here. It is in the exotics. And also it's the first car in the set. Right there. Back to. So yeah, well, let's open our first car. I'm gonna choose. Okay, let's do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch your tail on the Lamborghini. Yeah. Okay, we're choosing the Shelby GT. But hold up. Okay, let's open it. Again, I'm suffering again. I just wish I can use scissors. I wish we had scissors here. But we do. We got it. Yay. Here is the 1968 Shelby GT500. It has a cool purple color. It's like the color of my channel. Also, it's got some cool little flames on the car. It's got a little bit here, nothing here. And also, it's got the cool little, like, it's got, what do we call these rims? It's got, what should we call these ones? I got it. We're going to call these metallic rims. We got some metallic rims here. It's also got even the little lights here on the back too. And also, I just realized something about this car. It's got these here in the middle. So all the dust can go out the car or the, smoke. So here's our first car. Next car I'm gonna pick. Okay. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tail on the car. Okay, we're doing the Lamborghini. Lamborghini Urus, 2017 Lamborghini Urus. I wish I can use scissors, because mostly I just have to go like that and kind of destroy the packaging. When I could just go like cut, and I get the car open. But I wish I had scissors. I just want scissors right now. You see what I'm talking about? This. It's just that bothers me. Urus, you're free. And also, can I have some scissors, maybe? I actually need some scissors. But yeah, here we got the 2017 Lamborghini Urus. We got both of them. This one, it has the cool little flower rims in gray. It's got a little cool metallic color, and it's also yellow too. And it looks better than this one, kind of. And also, what's special about this car, it doesn't have this. It does have it, but you can't see it because of the yellow color. And also, this car is actually redesigned. It is more taller than this one. And the face is just raised up a little bit more. If you can see the difference, kind of. And the lights and everything else is different. Because this one's more new. And this is a 2017, I think, too. I don't know. But yeah. Oh no, I got confused. So yeah, we got two cars right here. Next car, hold up. I'm using scissors because I'm too lazy and I don't care. So just gotta open my car. I'm being smart. Look at that! It's a better idea. Hold up my chain. See? You can just see that right there. I know I don't have great cutting, but still, it's okay. Look at it! It's so much better. See, we can just open it now, without worrying about anything else. Tear it off, and we just. I'll worry about that later. But yeah. Here we got the 2019 Mercedes A-Class, a recolor. And we got the other one here too. They're both the same. Not really any difference here. They both got sunroofs. And also, it got some cool little, I really don't know what to call these. It's got some cool, It's got some cool, circle rims. I'm just going to call them that because I don't know what to call them. So, yeah, here we got these ones right here. It's cool, right? It's even got, a gray color. It's in the military. It's a military. Yeah. And we got all the cars right here. Looks pretty cool. We got our Mercedes right here. There we are. It looks nice. We got all our cars here. We got our Shelby, Urus, Mercedes. So yeah, guys, that's all I gotta talk about for this video. Subscribe to my channel and subscribe to Zamir Gaming 101. Check the channel out. I bet you're gonna love it. So yeah, bye. Have a good day. Bye bye.